Think you know the snake plant? This popular houseplant is known for being tough and low maintenance, but it also hides some surprising facts. Here are 5 things you probably didn't know about the snake plant. It breathes at night. Most plants release oxygen during the day and take in carbon dioxide at night, which is why they're not typically recommended for bedrooms. But the snake plant is different. It uses a special type of photosynthesis called crassulacean acid metabolism, or CAM. This allows it to release oxygen at night instead. That means it can slightly improve air quality while you sleep, making it one of the few plants that's actually suited for the bedroom. It was tested by NASA. Back in the 1980s, NASA ran a clean air study to find out if common houseplants could remove indoor air pollutants. The snake plant was one of the species tested, and the results showed that it could filter out toxins like formaldehyde, benzene, and xylene. While you'd need a lot of plants to see a major effect, the study helped make the snake plant famous as a natural air purifier and sparked renewed interest in indoor greenery. It has a history in traditional medicine. The snake plant isn't just decorative. In some parts of Africa and Asia, it has been used in traditional remedies to treat inflammation, minor wounds, and even infections. The juice from its leaves was sometimes applied topically, and in rare cases it was used internally. Of course, these uses aren't scientifically proven, and the plant is mildly toxic if ingested, so it's best appreciated for its beauty, not its medicinal potential. It is extremely hard to kill. If you've ever forgotten to water a plant for weeks and come back to find it still alive, it was probably a snake plant. This species is famous for its toughness. It can survive in low light, dry air, and with very little water. That's because it stores moisture in its thick, upright leaves. It's a succulent, even though most people don't think of it that way. This resilience makes it ideal for beginners, offices, and anyone who wants greenery without the stress. It was once used to make bowstrings. The snake plant's sharp, sword-like leaves aren't just for show. They contain strong fibers that were once used to make ropes, baskets, and even bowstrings. That's where the name Viper's bowstring hemp comes from. During World War II, these fibers were sometimes harvested for practical uses when other materials were scarce. It's a great reminder that even ornamental plants can have surprising histories. Which of these facts surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments, and be sure to subscribe to The Gardener for more videos about the hidden stories behind the plants we love.